Hi guys, today we're going to be solving word problems within 1,000. Sam has 514 marbles. He buys 187 more at the store. How many marbles does he have now? So first I'm going to figure out what I'm solving for. So I want to know how many marbles does he have now. I know Sam has 514 marbles, and I know that he buys 187 marbles. I'm first going to represent using my strip diagram. I don't know what the total is. That's what I'm solving for. So I'm putting my question mark on the bottom of my strip diagram. I know he started with 514, so that's a part. I know he buys 187, and that's another part. I also want to represent using an equation. So I write 514 plus 187 equals. Now it's time to solve. I'm going to draw my place value chart first. My H for my hundreds, my T for my tens, and my O for my ones. Now I'm ready to go. I'm going to start off first by building my first number, which is 514. 3, 4, 5. I have 110 and 4 ones. 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to add 187. So 100, 8 tens, and 7 ones. Now I'm going to start in my ones because I always start in my ones place. I'm going to add my ones up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle that because it made a 10. I'm going to exit out and I move it next door. I count what ones I have remaining. I've got 1. Now I'm going to go to my tens place. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, so 10 tens equal 100. So I'm going to circle it, and I'm going to move it next door because 100 can't stay in the tens place. So I exit out, and I move it next door to my hundreds place. Now I'm going to count my tens. I don't have any left, so I'm going to write a 0. That 0 is very important. It holds the spot. Now I'm going to go to my hundreds, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. So my answer is 701. So Sam has 701 marbles. Good job.